May 6th card opening. We are on call. So you get the box of mystery. Well, not really mystery, I guess. Mystery, what you get out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pinnacle. Not dead yet. But, see, maybe one more. Maybe one more. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3. And 10. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, got some good stuff to open up here. Put that there. Put that there. Make sure I don't rearrange my seating. I keep bumping the thing because I'm sitting on my leg. Okay. That looks good. Mark McGwire. Greg Vaughn, I remember him. Benito Santiago. Peter Bryan. Bill Swift, remember him. Nolan Ryan, I think he's a good guy. Maybe? Nolan Ryan's one of the better cards you can order or get from the Junk Wax time. 2013 Pinnacle. Not been a bad rip. In fact, I probably would rip again. Maybe. Evan Longoria. We have a single of Jose Bautista. The Yankees pick up? I forgot who picked up Jose Bautista. Pedro Alvarez. Oh, these are them Rockies. Oh, there's really nothing else going on there. Evan Longoria. The Freak. Series 2, 2017. Chad Bettis. They got Hops. Matt Carpenter. Josh Bell, rookie. It's a gold. Jeff Lemersiel, 1909. John Perez, Dyson, Dexter Fowler, Mike Matuk. Josh Bell, probably the best card of there, and that is an insert. Woman 2014. Michael Conforto. Mr. Hit by the Pitch. Aaron Gallagher, Luis Severino. Michael Geddes. Cody Reed. Matt Morgan Refractor. Nick Gordon. Michael Conforto. Compared to other chromes, let me pull these out just for comparison. I think it's pretty clear which one's a refractor there. Sometimes it's not kind of tricky. We'll double check. Oh, crap. It doesn't say refractor, but this is refracting. So, there. Okay, we'll roll one more. Lucky Thursday, number 6, 2, 4. I guess it's only 2, 4. Fitting that we end Pinnacle's day. Last pack of Pinnacle. I'm 99% sure. I see a lot of Bowman Topps 2017, some collector's choice. Craig Kimbrell, Goldie, holy cow, Carlos Quentin, Johnny Cueto, another clear one, single, Michael Morris, Brett Anderson, Nick Marotta, Tyler Claude. Nothing all that exciting there. Johnny Cueto still around. All Goldie. Kimball? So this is Kimbrell. I don't know. I don't know if he's still around. Anyway, that's all for open today. Favorite card. We'll go the old classic Nolan Ryan. Who terrorized Nolan Ryan? George Brett. What a book, eh? 8th round draft pick. Y'all take care.